Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to stop sharing your location on Snapchat. On my previous video, I've shown you how to share your location on Snap Map on Snapchat. But now what if you want to hide it? You want to stop sharing a location with your friends. It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. From here, you can go to location on the bottom left here. So now you can see here's the snap map. Anyone who open this snap map, they can see your location. Now my location is on my home. If you want to stop sharing, you can go back. You can open your profile, scroll down. There is an option sharing location. You can just tap on that. And from here, you can enable the ghost mode. You can choose your friends can't see your location while you're in the ghost mode. You can choose for 3 hours, 24 hours, or until you turn this off. I will just choose on until turn off. So now no one can see my location until I change these sharing location privacy. It's very simple, right? So that is how to stop sharing location on SnapMap. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!